meaning and purpose of Christmas, and that will be found in Galatians chapter 4. If you can turn with me there, I will be reading beginning in verse 4. But when the fullness of the time was come. First of all, that really says a lot. There's a lot of things that had to take place before Christmas could happen. And it doesn't tell us what all those were at this point. But you've heard the prophecies, you've heard the stories, and the fullness of time was now complete. God sent forth his Son, made of a woman, made under the law, to redeem them that were under the law, that we might receive the adoption of sons. And because ye are sons, God has sent forth the Spirit of his Son into your hearts, crying, Abba, Father. Wherefore thou art no more a servant, but a son. And if a son, then an heir of God through Christ. See, so what Christmas was all about was that God came that we might be his children and heirs of God and his heirs. Thank you.